Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and comment on Reddit. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. This is going to be the shortest tutorial you're ever going to watch as well. So I want you to go ahead and make sure that you are logged into your Reddit account. And if you don't know how to make a Reddit account, I've already taught that in the past video. So simply go ahead and watch that and come back to this one. So for example, I want to comment on this post right over here. All I'm going to do is click on this little icon right over here. And once I've done that, it's going to take me to this page right over here. And now all I need to do is just click here on share your thoughts. I can simply write whatever I want and simply go ahead and click on this comment button right over here. As you can see, this is how my comment is going to look like, and simply people can reply to it, and the person who has posted can also see it publicly. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.